This video bartending lesson is brought to you by American Bartender School, where in just 1 or 2 weeks you can be fully trained and ready to work as a professional bartender.
Now the next drink that I want to show you how to make is called a dirty martini, and we're going to make it with the vodka, so the customer would call for a dirty vodka martini straight up. So since we know it's straight up, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to chill down our cocktail glass. Put a little ice in there, a little dash of water, and the water melts the ice and helps chills it down. And what I want to show you this time is how to shake a drink. Now, prior to the James Bond movies, martinis were always stirred. They were never shaken. However, James Bond always would ask for a shaken vodka martini and not stirred. Now the difference between stirring and shaking is when you shake a drink, you're breaking up the ice into minute crystals. So the drink gets a little more watered down, and also you have these little ice crystals floating around. Additionally, shaking it up adds oxygen to the water and little bubbles. Now, a lot of people like it that way. Some people feel that if you shake a martini, it's a little bit too watered down. That's why the original martinis were served stirred instead of shaken. However, now if you're bartending out there or you go out for a martini, you'll see most bartenders shake it. Doesn't mean that they know what they're doing, but they do it. So if we're going to shake it, we're going to use a Boston shaking kit. It consists of 2 parts, stainless steel metal cup, right there, you can see that, and a smaller glass mixing cup. So we're going to put our ice in our stainless steel cup. Let me move this over here so you can see what I'm doing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of the juice from our olives, this olive brine. It's a salty brine that's used to preserve our olives. Just put it right in there. And what that's going to do is give the drink a slightly different taste. It's going to give it a little bit salty, briny taste, which some people like. All right, dirty vodka martini. All right, just a dash of our dry vermouth, infused white wine, and something that's quite popular today is a Citron Martini. Now, what that is, Citron vodka. It's a vodka that is infused with a little bit with lemon peels, so it has kind of a lemon peelish vodka flavor. It's not sour, it's not sweet, it's got a little more like the peel. So I'm going to make this a dirty citron flavored vodka martini, just as an example. 2 ounces of our citron vodka there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glass mixing cup, put it in, turn it just slightly, and what that will do, that will seal it. Whoops, there, and now I got it sealed. Grab it on both ends, palms on both ends, and then I'm going to shake it. Shake it about 7 or 8 times. This is going to break up the ice, and it's going to chill the drink down quite a bit. Give it a little snap. Always snap the metal part, not the glass part. That'll break the seal. Here I have my strainer because the customer wanted it straight up. So I'm going to put it in my stem cocktail glass. And there we have it. Now, whenever you're making a drink, don't fill up the drink all the way to the brim of the glass. Because if you do that, when you go to serve it, it's going to spill. Customer called for a lemon twist, so I'm going to use one of my lemon twists right here, and they probably would ask for an olive also, so I would put one of my olives in here. So here we have it, dirty citron vodka martini straight up with a lemon twist and an olive shaken. Alright, there we have it.
More video bartending lessons are at our website, barschool.com.